Hi, Pari हूँ मैं and you're watching us on Radio Nasha and with me today a young budding talent and हम यही discuss कर रहे थे कि क्या ये millennial है या फिर Gen Z है. Well, let's find that out. With me in studios Ayan Agnihotri. Hi Ayan.
Hi.
How are
So
you?
nice. Very good. So nice to be here. Very, very excited for
Yeah.
my first ever radio interview
It's
and
your
appearance.
debut on
It
radio.
is, and it's very exciting.
Radio सुना है
Of course.
और अभी भी सुनते हो?
जी, जब मैं मेरे प्लेलिस्ट से पक जाता हूँ तो रेडियो पे चले जाता हूँ.
What is your earliest memory of listening to radio?
सबसे पहली याददाश्त तो जब मैं स्कूल जाता था.
Hmm.
तो पहले हम बस से जाते थे, स्कूल बस से, लेकिन क्योंकि हम हमेशा लेट होते थे तो हम स्कूल बस मिस कर चुके थे काफी बार, तो फिर पापा हमको गाड़ी में छोड़ने लग गए.
ओफ यार, ये हर किसी के साथ हुआ है क्या? पापा टू द रेस्क्यू.
वही. तो फिर उधर से रेडियो शुरू हुआ और मतलब स्कूल जाते वक्त, वापस आते वक्त, तो वहां से 8 साल पहले जब मैंने सोचा था कि मैं पहले मेरे गाने रिलीज करूंगा, तो मुझे मेरे नाम से नहीं रिलीज करने थे, मुझे वीडियो भी नहीं डालने थे, मुझे सिर्फ ऑडियो फाइल्स डालने थे और लाइक
You didn't want to have a face.
no,
Right.
faceless,
Yeah.
anonymously promoted and see if people liked it, didn't like it, and that's
Right.
where the name like Agni kind of stuck with me from, because I said if I had to have something that I could claim in the future, oh, this is me actually 10 years later, then I think it should be something associated with me rather than a completely random name, and then it would be like a connection.
So Agni comes from Agnihotri, of
Yeah.
course. You know the song, congratulations on that. It's called You
Thank
Are
you.
Mine. And I find the video quite interesting. क्योंकि इसमें होता क्या है कि आप अपने मामू सलमान खान के साथ हो and then you are discussing कि चलो करते हैं rap, and then he says that one day, and then you say कि let's make it today, day one, and then you go into that whole zone of अगर ऐसा होता तो कैसा होता. It's wonderful. So talk to me about how this song happened for you.
So I was in the process of recording my EP, which is written and composed by me. It's an all English EP. और जब मैं तीन गाने रिकॉर्ड कर चुका था, तब मेरे प्रोड्यूसर आदि देव ने उनकी वाइफ को सुनाया था, पायल दी. तो फिर उन्होंने बोला कि आप ये एक पार्टी फीवर गाना लिखने की कोशिश करो, और मैंने को राइट किया, उन्होंने साथ परफॉर्म किया. फिर उसके बाद मामू ने बोला कि ठीक है, मेरा भी एक गाना है, उसमें जगह है रैप के लिए, व्हाई डोंट यू ट्राई. सो आई ट्राइड इट, ही लाइक्ड इट, विशाल लाइक्ड इट, सबको अच्छा लगा. तो फिर मेरा एक सेक्शन किया, फिर उन्होंने एक और ऐड किया, फिर म्यूजिक वीडियो शूट करने गए. तो ये एक्चुअली जो सीक्वेंस है सपने का, वो पूरा इम्प्रोवाइज था.
Is it?
ओपनिंग और क्लोजिंग तो हमारा पूरा म्यूजिक वीडियो शूट खत्म हो चुका था, ऑलमोस्ट पैकअप करने लगे. फिर उन्होंने बोला एक आउटफिट चेंज करो, एक शूट करना है, एक और सीन. और तब ये हुआ जो टीजर आया था. It almost entirely improvised.
Yeah, but it changes the whole thing, right? There is a thought then to it. So बहुत interesting है. Also, then in the beginning there is this nice camaraderie between you and Salman. That is seen. But tell me, क्या real life में वो camaraderie ऐसी है? Because in that whole scene, it was quite candid, and it was like like two buddies talking to each other. So what is it like with you and Mamu?
It is like that. Like he is, like we say in my family famously, after 27 we stop aging. So there's not real age barrier when we communicate or hang out with each other. Like we're very cool, we get along, everyone is like comfortable. And then of course there's a respect for his age, his experience, and like family. But other than that, it's super chill. Like we all have these very friendly bonds. It's nice.
Yeah, but आपकी बचपन की कोई memories है of going or watching his films or visiting the film set?
हाँ, बहुत सारे.
हाँ?
But इतने vivid memories नहीं है, लेकिन experiences बहुत थे, क्योंकि I was very disinterested in things as a child.
अच्छा.
Yeah. मुझे मतलब ज़्यादा चीज़ें पे फोकस नहीं करता था. मुझे मेरा गेम बॉय की पड़ी थी. मेरा पोकेमॉन जो चल रहा था वही मेरा मेन इंटरेस्ट था बचपन के पहले 4-5 सालों में. लेकिन उसके बाद हाँ, like I've lot of experience because of dad also. पापा की भी पिक्चरें हैं. मम्मी मामू के सारे आउटफिट स्टाइल करते हैं सारे पिक्चरों के लिए. तो फिर हाँ, बहुत देखना मिलता है.
कुछ याद आ रहा है? Any film set?
दबंग 1.
अच्छा.
हाँ, जो थाने वाला सीक्वेंस है ना, थाना वो वाला.
But you have grown up around this, I
Yeah.
think, है ना? Like, your dad has directed, produced, himself has been an actor. पूरी film family रही है. What was it like growing up? घर पे conversations किस तरह के होते थे?
Honestly, not about films.
Yeah?
हाँ, I guess वो काम की बात
काम
हमेशा
पर.
हाँ काम पर तो फिर
हम्म.
घर में just टाइम पास कोई भी ऐसे मजे में बात टांग खींचना मजाक उड़ाना हमारे परिवार में बहुत होता है एक दूसरे का टांग खींचना मजाक उड़ाना तो
Okay.
भाई बहनों के बीच में और हमारे जनरेशन के भाई बहनों के बीच में also।
Let's get back to the video of the song again. जो actually theme है जहाँ पर
हम्म
आप सलमान को convince कर रहे हो कि करो ना मेरे साथ
हम्म
कुछ कुछ. क्या रियल लाइफ में भी ऐसा कन्विंस करने की जरूरत पड़ी थी? और वाज इट द अदर वे अराउंड?
नहीं इसके बारे में कन्विंस नहीं जनरली ही इज आई कांट गो अप टू हिम एंड आस्क हिम कि लाइक ये करो हमको ऐसे करना चाहिए जैसे वीडियो में वो ही बोलते वन डे एक्चुअली ट्रूथ वही है कि वो बोलते कि पहले करके आओ अच्छा लगा तो मुझे मैं करूंगा अगर नहीं अच्छा लगा तो क्या लाइक नो पॉइंट he's been very clear about he's like I understand my brand I understand like who I am to people and he's very mindful of that so he never even with the family he's very professional when it comes to work or like his like how people obviously see him the work people see him in because that's what they love him for that's why he is who he is he's recognized so he's very particular about making sure his fans get what they want so that's been professional so he did actually he asked me saying that you should do a space if you're interested and only because they like him and Vishal liked it and like people liked it is why it stayed had they gotten the feedback that it's not sitting well we don't like it they would have removed it also
I love the enthusiasm. I mean, look at that man. He's been working कितने सालों से. He's achieved a lot. He's done so many films. And right now, he doesn't need to prove himself as Salman Khan,
Hmm.
right? He doesn't even need to
Hmm.
put in so much effort or do so much work. But the fact that, even at this point in life, he is like, मुझे और करना है, मुझे और explore करना है. You know, is this passion something that you learn from, that you take away from? Do
Yeah,
you see the passion for
it
work in him?
there's a love for life,
Hmm.
and I guess when that you have that kind of love for life, you can't sit doing nothing.
Hmm.
So even like him, he's so talented, he's so creative. He paints, he does physical structures. He'd find logs of wood and that look like of a like shape that interests him, and then he'll paint things on them. He'll make artworks out of chains and like random things. So he can't like he needs to keep doing something to like just like show I guess his appreciation for life. Like he doesn't want to waste time. So he's
Hmm.
always like doing something. He'll work out every day. He'll make sure like he watches his food. Of course he'll eat when like with food. We're all foodies, so we all eat. But then he's very mindful about when he eats, what he eats,
Hmm.
about his at the allocation of his time. So he is like he appreciates it. Like he doesn't kind of lives with that. If I go tomorrow, like I shouldn't have like left behind nothing. I should have left behind like everything.
कभी डर लगा उनसे? लगा है?
I mean, like
Like that intimidating वाला डर.
not like that. Like I mean, no one in my family has ever been rude or like loud or like has been ever like bad with us. We are loud and we're quite like I told you we pull each other's legs, no. So we've all kind of like gotten used to a certain like volume of like communication and like type of talking. But that's all. It's in love. It's banter.
Tell me something today. This is the age of social media, है ना? एंड अगर सोशल मीडिया पर प्यार है तो वहीं पर सोशल मीडिया पर लोग भी हैं जो आपको कॉन्स्टेंटली पुल डाउन करने की कोशिश करते हैं. हैज सोशल मीडिया और हैव पीपल बीन काइंड टू यू, डू यू थिंक?
There's a mix. There's people who are liking it also. There's a people who are indifferent. There are people who are not happy about it also. Live and let live. I am not so bothered. The ones who say nice things, I like. The ones who say bad things, just screenshot. I said, I'll remember you. You watch.
Yeah, because there's this whole very flared up, built up conversation around nepotism in the industry and favors and all of that. What is your take personally on things like this? How do you answer these questions? How do you react to these comments?
It's something that exists in all aspects of life, all industries. it can be as simple as when you recommend a friend, when you like at a company that you work in, also put a good word in, can also be considered like an extension of the same thing, right? I think it exists in all families. Like I inherited, like in businesses and other places, so families entirely inherit. I think in our industry, it's slightly hyper focused. You can give opportunities and exposure, but you can't transfer um, fan following or appreciation or talent the same way that you can transfer equity and like companies and different things like that. So I think while it is a topic, it's something that it's a harder situation here. Like obviously everyone, I'm not saying I don't have not had a chance compared to other people. There have been relatively easier, but again, if people don't accept me, they don't accept me, right? It's
Mm.
not something that anyone can guarantee for me. There's a lot of people who've come in with connections and like washed out also, and there are people who've come in without and stayed. Like it's just your destiny and how you go about it.
अतुल सर ने आपको कभी कुछ बोला है इसके बारे में कि बेटा बी अनबॉदर्ड बाय दिस, या फिर हैज ही एवर काइंड ऑफ एडवाइज्ड यू ऑन हाउ टू डील विथ दिस?
He said the only, like not in a bad way, but he said the only person whose objective or like dream that should matter to you at some level is yours.
Mm.
He said if there are people whose there could be like are object like obstacles or barriers in your way, it is everybody's life. That's not a problem. It's not something you're supposed to look at as, oh, it's gonna like stop me or slow you down. You have to not care. He said life is all about walking in the direction that you want to. If you want to follow the sunset, you follow the sunset and you keep going like day after day, right? Like then you live your life doing that. So he was very clear. He said there's good and there's bad. But like you pick the path you want to walk and then you walk it with a smile.
What's coming ahead for you? अभी क्या हो रहा है? अग्नि की तरफ से अब क्या आने वाला है अभी?
So अग्नि की तरफ से दिसंबर तक कुछ original compositions और writings आएंगे. I'm planning to drop one song a month. So October, November, and December, I'll drop one song each. These are more my works. This is what I was my in like zone. So it's kind of to promote my EP. So when my
All these are raps?
not all of them are raps.
अच्छा.
Yeah, there one is a rap and then singing. Other one is more melody based, and the other one is a slow like love song, nice song, like more closer to You Are Mine. So there is a range because my EP has 6 songs that's gonna come in like 2025, and I wanted to kind of give people a sense of what they should expect from my EP.
Who has been your all-time favorite singer? 90s, early 2000s, मुझे बताओ ऐसा कोई singer है that you've listened to that you really.
Bryan Adams. Yeah, he was the goat to me growing up.
Yeah,
like,
what about in Hindi cinema, in the Hindi film industry?
The music that Sajid Wajid made had a real. There's a to the songs. They're like songs that even after 10 years, if you play it, now it's hard to stay low energy because they have this kind of like rhythm, this tempo, this like experience to them. So those are the kind of ones that stick out to me, like the ones from Partner and those songs. They like there's an energy to them. There's a fun in those songs. Like if they play, you enjoy them, you dance. Like
yeah. Do you know the original lyrics of Kendi Paw?
Kendi paw puppy jam, Kendi. Oh jane jana, Kendi paw puppy jam, Kendi. Oi, 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 oi. Yeah, I remember the hook.
But original lyrics क्या ये पता नहीं है ना?
I only remember this one.
हम हमेशा okay, so this is a very millennial thing. We all sang this song as Kendi Paw Puppy Jam, like how you sang. It's actually Kendi Pump Up the Jam.
Yeah, I saw this somewhere. And I knew I was going to be wrong about it, but I was like, still, you might as well go, like, take a confident swing at it. But yeah, can we pump up the jam? Makes sense.
Yeah, right? But maza actually Kendi Paw Puppy Jam गाने में
Honestly,
है.
they should have just kept it down. They should have never revealed to anybody the lyrics of Pump Up the Jam.
That's true. But thank you so much, and all the best, and hope to see you soon.
Yes, for sure. Thank you so much. It's been a pleasure.
Lastly, would you like to say anything to the people who are listening and watching you?
Thank you for your time. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you got to learn something about me. If you've got 2 more minutes, check out my song. Hope you like that too. All right, and I'll see you around.
Radio Nasha.